Don't sign up for Helium 10 until you've checked the latest Helium 10 coupon code. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to save and give you a quick overview of what Helium 10 offers. To access the current deal, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. My link automatically applies the biggest discount available, giving you the best price. Use Offerly20 for 20% off your first 6 months, or Offerly10 for 10% off every month for life. Pick the option that works best for you. As part of this Helium 10 review, Helium 10 is one of the leading platforms for Amazon FBA sellers because it brings together essential tools in one place. From Amazon product research and Amazon keyword research to listing optimization, competitor tracking, inventory management, and performance analytics, everything is designed to help you build and grow your business. If you'd like to try these tools yourself, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to activate the latest Helium 10 deal. Tools like Blackbox and X-Ray help you discover product opportunities by analyzing demand and competition, while Cerebro and Magnet help uncover valuable keywords that customers are already searching for on Amazon. Quick reminder, the link in the description automatically applies the best available discount for both Platinum and Diamond plans. If you're ready to save with the latest Helium 10 coupon code and start using Helium 10 today, click the link in the description or scan the QR code and get started.